to see the clear. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. To see the clear board, you can keep your phone horizontally in the hand like this. Then boards will be very much clear. Good morning. It is 10:42. Yes. Good morning. Yes, today also I will upload the video on the YouTube as well as in the group. So how many number of times you want to see that video, you can see and write the content. Yes. Yes, I will send the video. Now it will be procedure every time. Yesterday's question. Yeah. Question number 10 we have to start. It is 10:43. My voice is very much clear. If you everybody mute the microphone, you will be able to hear clearly. It is 10:43. Many requests are still coming for admission. So first do that. Already it is there in the recorded mode. Your class teacher will talk to you then. You have to keep the microphone on mute. Yes, that will be there in the recording. That class teacher will see and find out. Because this video I am placing in the WhatsApp class group, so class teacher is also seeing that video. Mute the microphone. It is 52. Who is that boy? Next time you will not be admitted. Next time you will not be admitted if you don't follow the instruction. Now it is 10. Yes. It is no friend. If friend is from the school, then only they can join. Yes, then they can join. No, because other class only, this class is A and B, no, A division and B division. Yes. Then if request is there for admission, we can admit. Yes. Now 50. Now it is 10:45. 5-minute grace I had given for admission. So now we'll start. It is 56. 10:45. Now we'll start. I am doing the setting of the board, and within 1 minute we'll start. So now keep the microphone on mute. Please keep the microphone on mute. We will start with our question number 10. Question number 10 will start. 10 was homework. Please, 10 was not homework. Yes, 10 was, no, 10 was not homework. So right, form the greatest. 10 was not homework. Form the greatest. Write little bit fast. Form the greatest and no, right. Form the greatest and the smallest. Question number 10 I am asking. No, no, it was not given. See, please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. It was not given. Form the greatest and the no homework. It was not homework. And the smallest 4-digit number. See, everything will go in the recording. So don't talk unnecessary. Form the greatest and no, this is different. This is different. Let me write. And smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number with different digits. I'm not talking yes with different digits. Instead of talking, you focus on writing. With different digits and with the condition that digit 5 now it is clear. Digit 5 is always at 10th place. The digit 5 is always at 10th place. The digit 5 is always at 10th place. So we will solve this solution. Nobody will present. See, already it is there in the recording. If anybody unmute the microphone or presenting, try to present anything, they will not be admitted next period. Yes, no talking. Now, smallest number. Alright. It is 4-digit. Clearly see 4-digit. No, where 5-digit? 4-digit number. The digit 5 must be at 10th place. That condition is given. In that 4-digit number, at 10th place, you must have 5. Yes, smallest number and greatest number. Smallest number and greatest number. We have to write 4-digit. Digits are different. Yes. Now 4-digit number. 4-digit number we have to write. 4-digit number we have to write. In both, form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. 4-digit number. So unit place, 10th place, 100, 1000. Yes. No. Different digits. Repetition of digit is not allowed. And condition is that at 10th place, this is 10th place of smallest number, this is 10th place of greatest number. At both the 10th place, you must have the digit 5 in both. So there it is 5 at 10th place in smallest, there it is 5 at 10th place in greatest. Now we have to write the smallest number. Condition is at 10th place it must have 5. So now for smallest number you will start with the smaller digit. Smaller digits are 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3. But I will not start number with the 0 because starting with number with the 0 has no meaning. So I will start with 1, then 0, then 5 is fixed. It is 2, not 0. 0 will be there in between, not at the first. Yes. digit is not repeated. So 1 0 5 is already there. After 1 0 the digit is 2. Similarly for greatest number, I will select the greatest digit. For greatest number you have to select the greatest digit. 9 9 8, then it is 5 fixed. Now I will write 7. 9 8 5 7. Mute the microphone. Microphone must be mute. Microphone must be mute. So right, once is it clear this? 4-digit number. Board is at very much proper place. 4-digit number, unit 10 place, it is 5 5. For smallest number you will select the smaller digit 0 1. So instead of writing 0 1, I will write 1 0, then 2. Then for greatest number I will select the greatest digit 9 8 7 6 in that order. So 9 8, then 5 is already there. So after 9 8, the next digit 7 I will write this side, because this condition is fixed, that at the 10 place the digit 5 is fixed. Except this 10 place, you have to place the number at 3 digit, at 3 places. Is it clear? Write fast. Write fast. That screenshot you don't take. You try to focus on the study. How I am right? This is clear, because we have to solve number of problems. Finish writing? Yes. So see, the best part of learning maths is reading the question at least once. This is the mantra which I am giving to learn maths. The first part of students are always in a hurry to solve the problem. Solving they treat as doing a magic. You should never go for doing any magic. Never be in a hurry. Whichever question is given there, read the question carefully, at least once. If it is possible, read twice. Once you read the question, there is a very much clarity what is given and what we have to find. So reading of the question is very much important. Let us solve exercise question. I think everybody has written. Now let us write question number 11. Yes, write question number 11, which is fill in the blanks. So write question number 11, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 11, fill in the blanks. First, yes, mute the microphone, please. Mute the microphone. The largest number, voice is very much clear. The largest number, mute the microphone. The largest number of 5 digit, the largest number of 5 digit is, the largest number of 5 digit is blank. Wait. And the smallest number of 6 digit is and the smallest number of 6 digit, smallest number of 6 digit, 6 digit is, it is blank. So let us write the largest number of 5 digit. Yes, the largest number of 5 digit, the largest number of 5 digit. See here, what is the largest number of 1 digit? 9. 1 digit 9, 2 digit 99, 3 digit 999, 4 digit 9999, and 5 digit it is 99,999. 5 digit 99,999 is 5 digit largest number. Then smallest number of 6 digit. See here, this is the largest number. This is the largest number of 5 digit. We add 1. 9 plus 1, 10. See, 5 digit largest number. What is 1 digit largest number? Yes. 6 digit number smallest number. So I will add 1 to this. Wait. 1 digit smallest number. This is 5 digit largest number. 5 digit largest number. Is it clear? 99,999. I will add 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is carried, 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 9 plus 1, 10. And this is smallest 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. 5 zeros will be there. So largest number of 5 digit, you can put the comma, no problem. Yes, put the comma if you want. 99 comma, and this is 3 comma, then 2 comma. It's okay, even if you don't put the comma. Then second, yes. So write second, the difference between write the questions. The difference between the smallest number of 4 digit, the difference between the smallest, mute the microphone, the difference between the smallest number of 4 digit, smallest number of 4 digit, wait, and the largest number of 3 digit, and the largest, no talking, yes, largest number of 3 digit, largest number of 3 digit is equal to dash minus dash is equal to, that we have to write. Difference means minus. Difference means minus. The difference between The smallest number of 4 digit.
आराम से
4 digit
Four
smallest
digit.
number. Yes. 4 digit smallest number. What is 4 digit smallest number? 1000. Very good. 1000. 4 digit smallest number. And largest number of 3 digit.
बंद कर दो आवाज से
999. So 1000 minus 999 is equal to 1. This is the answer. The difference between the smallest number of 4 digit is 1000 and largest number of 3 digit is 999. Difference means minus. 1000 minus 999 is 1. Answer is 1. Now write third one. Yes. No. In this there are 2 more questions of fill in the blank. Right, third one. 5. No, if it is difference, we write minus. If it is difference, we write minus. Now write the sum, third one. The sum addition. The sum means addition. Yes, no talking. Sum means addition of the smallest. The sum of the smallest. Mute the microphone. The sum of the smallest number of 3 digit. Number of 3 digit. And the largest number of 2 digit and the largest. Yes, mute the microphone. Largest number of 2 digit. Is equal to. Yes, no talking. This is dash plus dash is equal to. We have to write. Yes. Sum means plus. Yes. Sum means plus. Smallest number of 3 digit. What is smallest number of 3 digit? 100. 100 is smallest number of 3 digit. And largest number of 2 digit. 2 digit largest number is 99. 99 is 2 digit largest number. Their sum 100 plus 99 is 199. This is the answer. Yes. Now fourth one. No talking. Please mute the microphone. It is time. Wait. It is 11:20. No. Fourth one. Mute the microphone. Fourth one. On adding one to the largest 5 digit number, to the largest 5 digit number, 5-digit number. Yes, wait. On adding 1 to the largest 5-digit number, we get, the board is blurred. It is not clear. It is very much clear. The board is very much clear. Yes. Now right. Yes. On adding 1 to the largest 5-digit number, we get dash, which is the smallest 6-digit number, which is, mute the microphone, which is the smallest 6-digit number, which is the smallest 6-digit number. Yes, which is the smallest 6-digit number. So question is adding 1 to the largest 5-digit number. What is the largest 5-digit number? Tell me. 99,999. Adding 1. We have to add 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 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 This number we get, which is, yes, 1 lakh. Answer is 1 lakh. 5-digit number, yes. Write this. This part you write. Okay. What is largest 5-digit number? Largest, board is blurred. It is coming clear. Largest 5-digit number. No. Largest 5-digit number is 99,999. We add 1. 99,999. We add 1. We get 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the, yes. Please mute the microphone, and board is very much clear. This is what I am telling. Please mute the microphone, everybody. Those who have not understand, yes, listen me properly. 5-digit largest number. 5-digit largest number is 99,999. This is 5-digit largest number. Add 1, adding 1. We add 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 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 So 99,999. This is largest 5-digit number. We add 1. We get 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. There are 6 digits. It is clear. Just see the board. Wait. Now it is clear. It is blurred still. Wait, you keep on writing, it is coming. Because some internet problem. So 5-digit largest number is 99,999. We add 1. Add means plus 1. 99. 1999 we add 1, we get 1 lakh, which is smallest 6 digit number. Now write fifth one. Keep the microphone on mute. Today, let me write the last part of this. On subtracting, let me write the fill in the blank first. On subtracting 1, on subtracting 1 from the smallest 4 digit number, from the smallest, it is not clear, board. On subtracting 1 from the smallest 4 digit number, you read the question carefully and listen. 4 digit number. On subtracting 1 from the smallest 4 digit number, we get, on subtracting 1 from the smallest 4 digit number, we get dash, which is the greatest 3 digit number, let which is the greatest 3 digit number. Now it is clear, which is the greatest 3 digit number. On subtracting 1, it is clear now. Board is now clear. Yes. Wait. Smallest 4 digit number is 1000. No, smallest 4 digit number 1000. Subtract means minus, subtracting 1 from 1000, smallest 4 digit number, we subtract 1, so it is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Then 1 is carried, 9. It is 9. So 999. 1000 minus 1, 999. Yes. That, mute the microphone. Smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Subtract 1. From 1000 we subtract 1, we get 999, which is the greatest 3 digit number. 999 is greatest 3 digit number. So this complete, fill in the blank. Today there is no homework. No, see. Today there will not be any homework. The homework is revising the answer of this 11 question. Today there is no homework. You have to only revise this 11 questions. No, see this 11. Today there is no homework, only you have to revise and NCR. Next week no homework. Finish. You want homework? You want homework? Let me write. Yes, write homework. Write homework. Write homework. Write question. Yes, no talking. Write the smallest. Write the smallest, no talking, and the greatest. Write the smallest and the greatest. Write the smallest and the greatest 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers with 8 in 100 place. With 8 in 100 place. With 8 in hundreds place.
Sir,
Yes.
wait. For them the board is blur.
And with all digit different. With all digit different. With all digit different. So 5-digit number question homework. You have to write 5-digit smallest and greatest number. 5-digit. 5-digit. What is important? In smallest and greatest both the number at 100 place. At 100 place you must have 8. This 8 must be at 100 place. So this is homework. Write the smallest and the greatest 5-digit numbers with 8. Yes, with 8 in 100 place. So at 100 place there should be 8, and it is 5-digit number. Mute the microphone, please. Yes. Mute the microphone. Yes. Write the smallest 5-digit number. That is what homework. No, you have to think. Yes, 5-digit number at 100 place there must be 8. Yes. Yes, we can leave. Now, it is 11:20. Our period. It is 11:20. Our period is over now. We are winding up this period, and this video I will upload. Bye everybody. Bye. Do the homework. Take care. Take care at home.
आज ठीक हो गया सर.
हम्म?
ठीक हो गया.
क्यों ब्लड आता है?
अब उतना तो थोड़ा नेटवर्क तो जाएगा ही ना.
बाप रे, बवाल चालू हो गया.